Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Windows 11 is getting a new block for some USB devices. So a new problem. We talked about a printer problem that was first found in the Copilot plus PC ARM devices, but after looking at the feedback hub, there was a lot of feedback on even Intel and AMD, which seemed to be more of a universal problem. Now, Microsoft has finally acknowledged and blocks Windows 11 24H2 on devices that have USB printers, scanners, and modems. And the reason is a problem with a communication mode that Windows uses with these devices. So for scanners and printers, one of them is the e-scanner communication language, which is a way of your printer, your scanner, of communicating with Windows. When they use that protocol, it just doesn't work. And that is since 24H2. So if you had that problem, it's really only USB connected devices, and not all devices, because not all printers or scanners use that mode of communication with Windows. So basically, a lot of PCs now have a block on this. If you did see Windows 11 24H2 offered to you and it disappeared, it could be that you have one of those devices that actually requires that language. So Microsoft's working on a fix. They do acknowledge that it has a problem. There's a few workarounds that they have talked about. So hopefully this is going to be fixed soon. Once again, 24H2 is really getting a lot of attention, a lot of things that have issues. And, you know, it comes up to a lot of people saying, well, did 24H2 maybe wasn't tested enough? Maybe it wasn't tested long enough in the insider rings too. You know, these are things that probably showed up way before 24H2 was officially released. And once again, probably lack of, you know, checking the feedback hub and understanding and seeing problems before they arise in the general public. So a new blocker for printers, scanners, and some USB modems is now in effect for Windows 11 24H2. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.